The first time a motor carrier user logs into the DOT compliance system, the system must be set up prior to using any of the system functionality. The DOT compliance solution has been designed to get motor carriers up and running quickly. Once logged into the system, there are only a couple of things that need to be done to get the system set up and ready for use. The motor carrier must add employees and assets to the system before being able to fully access all of the features and functions of the system has to offer. Adding employees and assets can be done in one of two ways. Of course, the first way is to manually add employees and assets into the system. If this is the method that will be used, please refer to the manual for instructions on how to manually add employees and assets into the system. In this video, we will go over how to import both the employee and asset lists from the motor carrier's ELD to quickly get started using the DOT compliance software solution. To begin, once logged into the system, the user simply needs to click the System Maintenance menu item from the left-hand side of the screen. From the System Maintenance screen, the user should begin by clicking the Employees button under the Business section of the form. Once on the Employee Maintenance form, simply click the Import Employee list from the bottom of the form. Next, click the Next button to proceed with the import. And finally, click the Yes button to kick off the import feature. The message on this dialog box will tell the user how many employee records will be imported. Keep in mind that running this feature more than once will not duplicate any records, and this feature should be run anytime there are any changes made to the employees in the ELD. Once finished, the employees that have been imported will be listed in the grid at the bottom of the form. Now that the employees have all been imported, return to the System Maintenance screen and click the Assets button. Once the Asset Maintenance form has been displayed, click the Import Asset List button at the bottom of the form. From the first dialog box that is shown, click the Yes button to start the import process. The next dialog box will show the user how many assets will be imported. Click the Yes button once again to kick off the import feature. As with the employee import, running this process more than once will not duplicate any asset records and should be run anytime there are any changes to the asset list in the ELD. Once finished, the assets that have been imported will all be shown in the grid at the bottom of the form. At this point, the system has now been completely set up, and the users can now use all of the features and functionalities of the DOT compliance software. Refer to the manuals and videos in the Help section for more information on the available features and how to use each one.